In this video we are going to talk about the best wood router in this year, which is Bosch 1617 EVS 2.25 HP electronic fixed base router. We will be going over the special key features of this product and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. Fixed base, threaded holes for mounting to router table position in common 3-hole pattern, includes RA1161 fixed base with system for adjusting bit height from above a router table. Durability, aluminum construction makes this one of our most durable wood routers yet, with wooden handles on a fixed base and a soft grip handle on a plunge base. Ease of use, rounded hardwood handles maximize user control, microfine bit depth adjustment. Convenient, with the built-in constant response circuitry, our 1617 EVS wood router will maintain a constant speed throughout the cut, so you get cleaner, more accurate results. 12-amp motor and adjustable speed dial, user can set the optimal speed for more or less power. Template guide, compatible with optional RA1129 template guide adapter set for easy change of Bosch quick-release template guides and common threaded template guides, includes RA1126 template guide adapter and RA1100 interface for threaded template guides. Includes fixed base, a 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch collet chucks, shaft wrench, collet nut wrench, chip shields, T-handle hex height adjustment wrench and 3 PK 10 to 24 screws for table mounting. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you like the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.